To finance a mobile home, it's the exact same process as financing a single family home. Or is it? That's what we're going to cover here this afternoon on today's educational video. My name is Mark Kaiser, and over the past few years, I have helped broker over 500 manufactured homes. And during that process, I've learned a lot, I've made a lot of mistakes, and I don't want you to repeat those mistakes. So as a result, we created the Mobile Home School. And for a limited time, you can grab a free PDF that goes over the exact checklist we have used over 500 times, whether we are buying or selling a manufactured home. Grab it today for free at themobilehomeschool.com. In today's educational video, we're going to cover the difference between financing a single family home, financing a mobile home with land, and financing a home on leased land. We have a lot to cover. I know you don't have a lot of time. So if you're ready, I'm ready, and let's go. If you can give me the next 4 minutes, I'll teach you everything you need to know about financing a manufactured home. We've got a lot to cover, so let's jump into it. The first question you've got to ask yourself is, are you buying real estate or personal property? Now, real estate is going to be where you buy the manufactured home and you buy the land attached to it. Personal property is where you're buying the house and you're paying lot rent. If you are going to buy a home with land attached to that purchase, it is absolutely referred to as real estate. And in that situation, the financing is going to be the exact same as financing a condo, a townhome, or a single family property. If you want to do a VA loan, an FHA loan, or a traditional 30-year mortgage, you absolutely can. So always remember, if the home is coming with land, you 100% can finance it. But what happens if you are doing personal property and you're buying the house and you pay lot rent to the park? Well, can you finance the home there? Absolutely. But it's going to be quite a bit different. And this is one of the biggest mistakes people make on a regular basis when they're looking to finance their manufactured home in a park. So many times they will come in to our office and say, yes, they have a pre-approval letter from XYZ Mortgage Company and they want to go look at homes. Fantastic! Only not so much. A lot of times those finance companies are assuming that you're buying the house with land and you're not buying it with lot rent. So the next question is, well, does that mean you can't finance a home in a park with lot rent? No, friend, that's not accurate at all. The good news is there are quite a few finance companies that will lend on a home with lot rent. But here is the key. You've got to make sure that you find that specific finance company that will work with you if you're going to buy a home with lot rent. Now, the other thing you have to be conscious of is the loan amount and their interest rate. Generally speaking, it's always going to be a little bit higher to finance a home with lot rent than to finance a home with land. Now, at the time of this recording, a rough number is going to be whatever the traditional mortgage rate is. We call that prime. So whatever prime is plus 1. So if prime is, say, 6% on a 30-year mortgage, then most lending companies who specialize in loans for mobile homes on leased land will be prime plus 1, or 7%. That's what you always have to remember. The next question they get asked all the time is, what about credit? What about down payment? Now, that's going to vary quite a bit with the lending agency that you use. So we have no affiliation with any of these at all. And I want to stress that you need to do your own due diligence. But the three that we have worked with over the years are going to be 21st Mortgage, Vanderbilt Mortgage, and Triad Financial. Now, in those three finance companies, they absolutely will fund on a home with leased land. Each one of them are going to have their own credit ratings, their own down payments, and their own requirements for the loan. Now, generally speaking, they are gonna have a loan minimum. And that's a big confusion that so many clients get involved in. Immediately they think if they're shopping for a low-cost home, let's say $10,000 or $20,000, they can immediately get financing with very little down. Friend, that is not the case. The reason why it's not the case is most of the time these lending agencies have a loan minimum of around $25,000 to $30,000, which means that the home loan has got to be that amount. It does not include the down payment or anything else that is required by the lending agency. So the big confusion in this business is that homes with lot rent cannot get funded. And I am here to tell you that yes, you absolutely can, but with an asterisk. Your traditional credit unions and your traditional banks will not lend on these. You will need to go to a specialty lender with this type of financing in order to get your loan for the home with lot rent. As we mentioned before, if you are looking to buy the home and the land, that is a real estate transaction. You can usually get the same type of loan products that you could with a condo, a townhome, or a single family home. So you should be good to go with those traditional approval letters and all that type of stuff. So, good news if you're looking to finance. However, you need to be able to navigate the waters correctly so that you can get financed for your dream home right away. Friends, if this was of any benefit to you, it would mean the absolute world to us here at the Mobile Home School to smash that subscribe button in the upper right-hand corner and to let us know in the comments what you plan on doing. Buying a home in cash or paying for it with financing. Now, next week, we are gonna have a fantastic educational video. We're gonna go over a handful of different topics and I can't wait to discuss it. I look forward to next week and I'll see you there.